Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and launching Google Takeout. Next, make sure to select only mail so the export stays focused and smaller. Choose the file type such as zip and set a max archive size like 2 GB. This determines whether Google splits the download into multiple files. You're starting the process now so you'll get a manageable export. Once done, proceed to create the export and wait for Google to prepare your archive in the background. You should now refine what mail contains by clicking all mail data included and choosing only the labels you need. This cuts unnecessary messages. Make sure to uncheck categories you don't want so the archive size and time shrink. Then confirm the delivery method, a download link by email, or saving to Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Once configured, hit Create Export. Google will queue your request and show progress. Expect preparation time that varies with mailbox size, and when Google notifies you, download each. Zip archive and verify sizes and that mbox files are present, open one to confirm content. If you need local access, import the mbox into an email client like Thunderbird. Make sure folders and labels line up. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking your account storage, simplifying label selections, or rerunning the export with a smaller max archive size. Finally, delete temporary archives from shared cloud storage to protect privacy once you've confirmed the data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.